Welcome to Material Science and Engineering Lab. Here properties and behaviors of different engineering materials are tested under different conditions. Now we have brimless tester machine in front of us, which is used to measure the hardness of a material. So as we can see, there is a product which has indentation marks on it, which are made by this machine only.
Quite fascinating, right? Here we have the 3D printer. It is based on fused deposition modeling. What it does is, we basically feed designs electronically through computer into the device. It then uses thermoplastic like TPU and PFA, PLA, which it heats down and converts into 3D model structures. Here we have a design made by our fellow batchmate. Here you can see it is printed Galgotias College of Engineering and Technology. So next we have Servo Universal Testing Machine. It is used to determine the tensile properties of the material. It has basically three functions: to test the tensile strength, then compression strength and bending testing.